Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the Euro US dollar FX for Monday, May 13th, 2013. Well, a continuation of the trend to the downside today. Previous two candles we had very large black body candles with lower highs and lower lows. Today's candle, in bar chart terms, it's an inside day. We have a candle with a lower high but a higher low. And that's a candle and a bar that failed to take out the previous low, suggesting quite some indecision and a sign of weakness in this market, suggesting a possibility for a change of trend. But because the trend hasn't changed to the upside at the moment, the previous trend to the downside remains in force, so technically we still do have a downtrend in place. Now with this candle we have a very small white bodied candle below the fairly large black body candles, and that suggests that the in net terms between the open and the close, that the sellers have lost quite some momentum. So the buyers here have made a very small amount of net bullish progress on the day between the open and the close, in contrast to the two previous trading days where the sellers made a decent amount of net bearish progress. So that suggests that there is a possibility for a change of trend, and this is a spinning top type candle, almost a doji type candle, and spinning tops are candles of indecision, and this market really is set up for that potential change of trend. If we look at where the market tested to, the 129.68 level has been very solid previous resistance, then support in the recent past, and now is acting as support once again. And the market today, for the second consecutive day, failed to close down below there and has been rejected from there. Not in a strong manner, but it does suggest a possibility of this market changing trend. At the moment, as this current candle is developing, have finished developing tomorrow, we are seeing the market find support once again at the 129.68 level, and the buyers are coming into this market. There is a possibility of the market trading above the high of today's trading and setting up that change of trend. That's basically up around that 130 level. Now if the market does rally, however, and trade up through the 130 level, we do have potential for strong resistance at 130.25, and here in the recent past and around this level we've seen the market find very solid support, only to be broken on a couple of occasions, but it has potential to offer resistance for this market. Now in terms of where the market is closed, it's closed roughly around the midpoint level, suggesting that neither side has taken control at the end of the trading day. So really a candle of a lot of indecision, and the shadow on the top represents downside price rejection, but the shadow on the bottom represents upside price rejection. So very strong rejection from both sides, indecision in this market, potential for a change of trend. It tells us that the strength that was in the market previously from the sellers has evaporated, but by the same token the buyers have failed to take control. No strength from the buyers either. But the story here is about the sellers losing strength, and especially down around this 129.68 level. Now in terms of the Fibonacci extension, we're examining the relationship of the first time frame downtrend to the previous time the market's trending down, and for the previous day's trading we saw the market strongly rejected from the 100% level from below there, failed to close down below there. Today we've seen the market close down below that level, but not in a bearish way, in a very indecisive way, and it does suggest that there is a possibility for a change of trend. So we will be looking to the higher high, or potential for a higher high and higher low. In terms of the Fibonacci retracement, slightly different scenario here, and we're in an expansive mode of that. We've traded in a bearish manner down through the 100% level, with the market being rejected strongly from the 161.8% level, tested roughly to that area once again, strongly rejected from there, suggesting that there is good potential for change of trend. So let's be on the lookout for a potential high and high low, and the way this market's trading at the moment, it looks like it will test the high of today's trading. In terms of Ichimoku, still a neutral market in big picture terms. We have the market trading within the cloud, and the market has been trading within the cloud for quite some time, for a couple of weeks, going on for nearly 3 weeks now. So a neutral market, and we will be waiting for a breakout either up above the cloud or down below the cloud. But looking at how the market interacted for the previous 2 trading days, including today, the market has tested roughly down to the bottom of the cloud and found buying coming in, as we've seen selling coming in around the top of the cloud here previously. And we know that the barriers of the cloud, the top and bottom, are very strong areas of support and resistance for this market, or the boundaries, of the cloud. So here we've seen rejection from there, and a possibility of a change of trend back up to the upside. We will be looking, if this trend does continue down, if the market can close in a bearish way down below the bottom of the cloud, that will be a bearish signal, and the market may have the ability to test down to lower levels, but no sign of that happening yet. But technically the trend hasn't changed, so we're looking for confirmation of a change of trend to the upside. But if that trend does continue down, potentially strong support once again down the bottom of the cloud around 129.15, but a bearish breakout would see support down around the 128.57 level. If the market does trade to the upside, anywhere within the cloud can act as resistance, but some very important levels, the 130.25 level, the 130 level where the market traded to for today's trading is very important. Then the 130.25 level, and then around the Kijun Sen and Tenkan Sen at 130.79, extending up to 130.90, we have very, very solid resistance up around there. So that will be a strong barrier to this market trading higher. So moving forward, we have potential for a change of trend with this indecisive spinning top type candle. 129.68 is a solid area of support and extending down to the bottom of the cloud, but we will be looking for a potential higher high and higher low. 130 is a strong level of resistance, and 130.25 will offer strong resistance as well.